tough cheering brackets, how to install them. You've got two pieces. These make up each corner. So the two pieces go like so, together. Easiest way to do it is put them together on a bench, throw it bolt in, and it's just to hold it in place while you fit it off. So just throw a quick bolt on there, so they line up. Same on the bottom. That's an M8 bolt. Don't do it up tight or anything, you just need to be able to locate it all. Locate a bolt. Once you've got it on there, that's how your bracket looks finished, ready to go on the side. Okay, so Pete's taken over from here. But what he's doing here is he's removing the over centre latch using a 5mm drill bit. He's just drilling out the rivets inside. Be careful to hold the handle so that the over centre latch doesn't spin and scratch the tent. Once you've drilled out the holes and pulled that off, you've got the same at the top. There's 2 more rivets there to remove as well. We fill those blank holes with a blank rivet. Be careful to use sealed rivets so you don't get any water ingress or dust. He's adding the bracket now to the corners. He's basically put 2 tech screws in there, 1 on each side. James here prefers not to use tech screws, but just to rivet straight away. That if yourself with experience, time will tell. Basically, once you've locked and held the corner in place, you can then drill out the rest of the holes using a 5mm drill bit. James is adding Sikaflex to the rivets here and inserting them in the holes, and the simple process from there is basically just to punch the rivets in. Immensely strong bracket this, will hold a poleless wing awning no problem. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers mate.